हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम आपको मैथ का चैप्टर 2 बैंकिंग बताने वाले हैं। चैप्टर 2 बैंकिंग। इस चैप्टर को हम दो फॉर्मूले से कर सकते हैं। पहला, इंटरेस्ट इज इक्वल्स टू principal into time. The time should be taken in numbers. Time into time plus 1 into rate upon 2 into 12 into 100. And the second, maturity value. Which is equals to principal into number of months plus interest. Now let's start exercise 1. Exercise 2, Question number 1. Mr. Rajiv Anand has opened a recurring deposit account of ₹400 month for 20 months in a bank. Find the amount he will get at the time of maturity if the rate of interest is 8.5% per annum and if the interest is calculated at the end of each month. Here it is given that principal is equals to 400, number of months is equals to 20, and rate is equals to 8.5%. In this question we have asked to find maturity value. So firstly we will find interest. Interest is equals to principal into n plus 1 into rate upon 2 into 12 into 100. Therefore interest is equals to 400 into 20 into 20 plus 1 21 into rate 8.5 upon 2 into 12 into 100, and this will be cancelled. 2 2s are 4, 10 2s are 20, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 3 7s are 21. So interest is equals to 85 into 7. 85 into 7, तो 85 into 7 क्या होगा? 595. तो इंटरेस्ट की वैल्यू पता चल गई। अब मैच्योरिटी वैल्यू फाइंड करना है। मैच्योरिटी वैल्यू इज इक्वल्स टू प्रिंसिपल इंटू नंबर ऑफ मंथ्स प्लस इंटरेस्ट. Therefore MV is equals to principal is equals to 400 and number of months is equals to 20 and interest is equals to 595. Therefore MV is equals to 400 into 20, 8000 plus 595. Therefore maturity value is equals to 8595. This will be our answer. Now we will start the question number 2. Mrs. Kavita Khosla deposits 900 per month in a recurring account for 2 years. If she gets 1800 as interest at the time of maturity, find the rate of interest if the interest is calculated at the end of each month. Here it is given that principal is equals to 900 and the time is equals to 2 years and interest is equals to 1800. We need to find the rate of interest. So let's solve it. given principal is equals to 900 and is equals to 2 years is equals to 12 to the 24 months. 12 into 2, 24 months. And interest is equals to 1800. We need to find rate. We know that interest is equals to principal into time plus 1 into rate upon 2 into 12 into 100. So interest is equals to 1800, principal is equals to 900, time is equals to 24 months into 24 plus 1 25 into rate upon 2 into 12 into 100. This will be cancelled. 12 to the 24, 2 to cancel. So R is equals to 1800 upon 9 into 25. 9 to the 18, 200 and 25, 8 ja 200. So finally rate is equals to 8%. This will be our answer. Now let's move to the question number 3. Mr. Brown deposits 1100 per month in a cumulative time deposit account in a bank for 16 months. If at the end of maturity he gets 1996, find the rate of interest. This interest is calculated at the end of each month. Here the question is asked to find the interest. So given principal is equals to 1100, number of months is equals to 16, maturity value is equals to 19,096, rate we don't know. We know that maturity value is equals to principal into n plus interest. Therefore M is equals to 1996, principal is equals to 1100, time is equals to 16 plus interest. Interest is equals to 1996 minus 1100 into 16. 1100 into 16. Therefore interest is equals to 1996 minus 1700, 17,600. Therefore interest is equals to 1996 minus 1700, 17,600. 6, 9, 4, 1. This will be rupees 1496. Students, never forget to mark the sign of rupees. This will be make your answer wrong. Now we know that interest is equals to principal into n plus 1 into rate upon 2 into 12 into 100. Therefore interest is equals to 1496 is equals to principal is equals to 1100 into 16 into 16 plus 1 17 into rate upon 2 into 12 into 100. This will be cancelled. 2 8 is 16. Therefore, rate is equals to 1496. This will go to the other side. 12 will be multiplied, and 8, 11 and 17 will be get divided. 11 into 8 into 17. 2 4 is 8. Sorry, 4 2 is 8. 4 3 is 12. 11 1 is 11. 11 3 is 33. 11 6 is 66. 17 8 is 136. Therefore, rate is equals to 8 into 3 8 into 12 upon 2 equals to 24 upon 2 equals to 12%. Sorry, 12% per annum.